In order to create a maintenance contract, you start from the project screen and hit the drop-down menu to see the selection of options related to the project. Under Process Sessions, you would select Maintenance Contracts. If you click that, it takes you to this screen where you can add a new maintenance contract to the project that you're currently working on, right here. Here's a maintenance contract that we've already created, and this is what it looks like. Maintenance contracts should only be created when they're one. At the top, you'll find the basic contract information, including the building location and the project that it's associated with. You'll also be able to access the billing information from this screen. It's important to fill out as much as possible. This includes the status of the contract, right here, where it says active, as well as the dates. Here you can see the contract start and end date. You should also add all the devices that are under the maintenance contract, like you see here. We have added all the air handling units on various floors of the building.